When it comes to modern banking, people want something simple, mobile-friendly, and free of surprise fees. That is where digital banking apps like Chime and Current come in. Both promise no hidden charges, early direct deposit, and features built for everyday life. But if you're trying to pick one, it helps to look at how they handle fees, usability, and long-term reliability. Let's dive into Chime versus Current and see which one really delivers the best fee-free experience for Americans. Chime is probably the most well-known name in online banking right now. It is designed to feel effortless. Open an account in minutes, get a debit card, and start managing your money right from your phone. One of the biggest draws is that Chime has no monthly fees, no minimum balance, and no overdraft fees. You can get your paycheck up to 2 days early with direct deposit, which makes budgeting a lot easier for people who like to stay ahead. The app automatically helps you save too. You can round up purchases or set a percentage of your paycheck to go straight into savings. Chime also offers a credit builder card that reports to all 3 credit bureaus, which is a big plus if you're trying to build or improve your credit history. Current, on the other hand, feels a little more modern and flexible, especially for younger users. It also has no hidden fees, no minimum balance, and early direct deposit. But it adds some unique features. For example, it lets you create savings pods, so you can separate money for goals like travel, bills, or emergencies. You also earn cash back on everyday purchases when you shop with select merchants. That can add up over time. Current supports gas hold refunds instantly and offers overdraft protection up to a certain limit if you qualify. The design of the app feels more social, with colorful visuals and real-time spending alerts that make it easy to see where your money goes. So which one is better? If your main goal is simplicity, predictability, and building better money habits, Chime is the winner. It is perfect for people who want a clean experience and tools that make saving and credit building easy. Either way, both are excellent fee-free banking options that outshine traditional banks. You cannot really go wrong with either. The right choice depends on whether you prefer Chime's steady simplicity or Current's fun, feature-packed approach to everyday money management.